This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying fundamentals so you can isolate the fault fast. First, confirm the receiver has power and the TV input is correct. A blinking LED means an error. Next, follow the coax from dish to receiver and check every F connector for hand-tight security and corrosion. Once done, scan the sky. Trees, scaffolding, or heavy rain block the beam, so note obstructions and weather, because even a small change in angle or a storm can drop signal strength. Now you dive into detailed diagnosis to find where signal is lost. Use the receiver's onboard signal meter and write down dB and percent lock on each transponder. These numbers show if the problem is weak signal versus no carrier. Then check the LNB, test power at the coax, and if uncertain, swap with a working LNB to confirm. Make sure splitters and multiswitches aren't degrading signal. Replace old coax with low-loss RG6 and tighten connectors to improve SNR and lock probability. Finish by restoring service and confirming success. After replacing parts or tightening connectors, reboot the receiver and run a full blind scan or provider update so channels repopulate. If you still see error codes, write them down. They guide support agents. Make sure to recheck the signal meter after each change. Small angle tweaks can matter. If problems persist, contact your provider to confirm a downlink or authorization issue. If they deny outages, consider professional alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.